Aloha and welcome to Beachwalks with Rox at beachwalks.tv. Today is show number 32. It's a beautiful evening here at the beach in Kailua. And I think I'm going to talk about process over product because, you know, we live really, I think, from the beginning of time up until very recently, all anybody cared about was product. End result. Willingness to suffer and sacrifice and struggle in the now in favor of, or in hopes, I should say, in hopes of some great results later, or in hopes of laying claim to some perfect product. And what I've been experimenting with in my life is to try something that at its core is dramatically radical. And that is to only focus on enjoying the process, being completely detached from the results of what I do and seeing what happens. You know, taking a completely radical chance. Lexi, over here. And seeing what happens. The theory being that if I'm enjoying myself in the process, that's really all that matters. Because the only thing that matters is the here and the now. Some of you may be rolling your eyes at this point about how new agey that is. It's really kind of the opposite of the new age, because the new age itself is rather invested in doing certain things today so that you'll have what you want tomorrow. Meditate correctly today, do your exercise religiously today so that tomorrow you'll look the way you want, you'll feel the way you want. You'll get those benefits of all of your good behaviors. There's this phrase that I learned that we don't have to earn or learn our way to God. And I just love the essence of that, because that means that however I am right now is perfect. Doesn't mean I don't want to change certain things. Clearly I do. I'm obsessive about my neuroses and wanting to get rid of them and the only reason because they keep me from being as free as I want to be in my life. And so, process over product. The reason I'm talking about it today is because I was listening to a lot of other shows today and found myself listening in the background to my number 2 personality. And it's just very curious how she likes what everyone else does so much better than what my secret cameraman and I are doing. And I like to out her whenever possible and remind her, both privately and publicly, that I'm more interested in the process. I'm more interested in just showing up and seeing what is happening right here and right now. Keep going, keep going. So what's happening right here and now is an absolutely gorgeous pre-sunset. One of Lexi's friends. Hi, how are you today? Person on a sailboard just coming in, the wind has just about died. And a wrap up for the show. So drop by the website, leave us a comment if you like. You can Skype me at Roxanne Darling. You can leave a voice comment at 949-544-1456. Talk to you soon. Aloha. Let's go, Lex. Hey, what are those? What are those? Are they turtles? Bullets. Man, they're huge. Very big bullets. Guess no one's gonna break into this fort, huh? have milk in this one. It's a fresh coconut. Take this one home.